Hi everyone, welcome to Rollout Savings. I'm Danielle and I'm here with your new coupon savings for Dollar General. These savings start today, which is December 1st. Can you believe it's December already? Before we jump into the coupons, Dollar General is doing 24 days of deals. Each day is a new deal, so I thought I'd put those in this video for you as well. Up first, we have today with $1 holiday mugs, normally $3. Tomorrow, which is the 2nd of December, we have the 6-foot pre-lit Christmas trees for 50% off. On Tuesday, December 3rd, we have buy one, get one free on True Living everyday paper plates and bowls ranging from $4.95 to $5.50 regular price. On Wednesday, the 4th, we have 50% off the Craig 36-inch tower speaker. On Thursday, December 5th, we have 2 for $6 on the Smithfield bacon. For Friday, the 6th, $2.50 for your regularly priced holiday lights of $5. On Saturday, December 7th, we have $2 each on holiday candles, and these candles normally are $5 a piece. Week 2 and week 3 plus 4 will be coming out each week later on, so we'll have those for you as well. I'm going to let the coupon matchups play through today. Instead of talking through them, I will be back in a moment. And as you notice, we have labeled them if they are P&G. If you still have not used your receive back X coupon for spending X amount on the P&G offer that we received last week, those are still available in your account. So we did label the new coupons with the logo P&G so you know what is attaching to those. And this wraps up our new coupon matchups. These are just the best coupon matchups. There are other coupons available in your account. Be sure you are subscribed so you get notified when we put out new content. Make sure you give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Let me know what coupons you might be excited about this week, or if you are couponing this week. Thank you so much for watching. Find us on Facebook, Telegram, and rolloutsavings.com.